Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular products in the coffee world. We have the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter and the Moka Induction Stovetop Espresso maker. We will evaluate these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest coffee reviews. Let's get started. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter is made from white rubber and stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. On the other hand, the Moka Induction Stovetop Espresso maker features borosilicate glass and 304 food-grade stainless steel. The glass allows you to monitor the brewing process, while the stainless steel adds a touch of elegance and healthiness to your coffee. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter is compatible with all Bialetti 3-cup stovetop coffee and espresso makers. This ensures that you can easily replace the gasket and filter for a continued brewing experience. On the contrary, the Moka Induction Stovetop Espresso maker can be heated on various devices including induction cooktop, ceramic stovetop, gas stove, and electric stove. It offers versatility in terms of compatibility. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter comes with 1 replacement filter and 3 replacement gaskets. This ensures that you have enough replacements for an extended period. On the other hand, the Moka Induction Stovetop Espresso maker doesn't include any additional accessories. It solely focuses on providing a high-quality espresso brewing experience without any additional components. And there you have it. We have discussed the main features and compared these two products in various categories. Both the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter and the Moka Induction Stovetop Espresso maker have their own unique strengths. Consider your preferences and brewing needs to determine which one suits you best. We hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coffee reviews. Thank you for watching and happy brewing.